Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and I am wearing my blouse by Dokotoo. And what is great about this blouse that it's made of cotton. Of course, we could have gone one size up because I'm wearing the size L and I feel the arms are a little bit short. But that's easily fixed because it's ruched, it has rubber band, so I can just wear them like this and nobody can tell and it doesn't feel weird. If you're someone who wants to wear the full sleeve and you have longer arms, I would recommend to size up. So for example, if I wear size L, so then maybe XL would have longer arms, but I cannot guarantee that. But what I like about this shirt a lot is the little lace details it has on the arms, and also the structure of the shirt is very comfortable, and I like the button line too, so you can wear it like all the way buttoned up, or if you feel like having some buttons open, so you just wear some buttons open and then you have relaxed look wearing this shirt. So there's so many great things about this shirt. I recommend it by Dokotoo, but that of course is just my point of view.